RGV and you're watching RGV Love, where I am the crazy Indian mother. Today we'll be testing out the Super Bottom modern cloth diapers. I am so excited right now. In case you don't know what modern cloth diapers are, modern cloth diapers are basically, they're almost like disposable diapers, but they're cloth. Sponsored video? Yes, it is, but the words unsponsored. They have paid me to make a video about their product, but they haven't paid me to talk. They haven't like given me a script that I have to talk through. It's all mine. All my views are my own and in the interest of my viewers. What was your first impression of the product? I have a little unboxing clip for you guys to see my actual real first impression of the product. I am so super duper excited because I've just got my packages from Super Bottoms. I absolutely love how these are packed. Like honestly, I don't even want to open them because they just look so nice. Alright, that's cute. Look at that tiger. Oh wait, why is that a zip? Ooh, what is this? This is nice. This looks like a bag to keep your diaper in it. Can I just say again how much I love this packaging? That is the diaper. How cute is this? It's a paisley design. I love it. Have you used modern cloth diapers before? I have used them very briefly a year back for I guess a couple of weeks maximum. I would have probably used them. I did have like 4 or 5 of them, but they're all packed and kept away. I think the real reason I didn't use them or reuse them was probably because I didn't really understand a lot in terms of modern cloth diapers, and I just couldn't like kind of figure out the sizing, and basically I was just really confused. So what's different this time? Why did you agree to do this video? I agreed because mainly cloth diapers are extremely economical. Although the one-time cost of a cloth diaper is obviously way more than the one-time cost of a diaper, but when you start comparing, when you start kind of looking at the big picture, and when you see that how much you actually end up paying for disposable diapers in a year versus what one cloth diaper costs, the disposable diapers are not good financially. Apart from that, obviously cloth diapers are always better for the baby. I mean, obviously cloth is better than like a plasticky thing. And I think this time it's also different because I'm so much better informed. I went to Super Bottom website. Okay, this part I have to say because they never asked me to mention their website or to go on their website, but I was a little confused about cloth diapering, and I was like, you know what, if this company wants me to do a video on their product, I need to know what their website is about, and does their website have any information? Because end of the day, I'm doing this for my viewers, and if my viewers don't get information about cloth diapers, it won't even make sense for me to do a video with this company, right? So I went onto their website and I was so pleasantly surprised, and I was so sad that I did not know about them a year back, because if I did, see, the only reason I did not continue cloth diapering was because I didn't understand it. I couldn't figure out the fitting. I couldn't figure out which ones would work for RGV, and I had just ordered them off of Amazon without any knowledge. So when I went onto the Super Bottom website, I was so happy that they have information on sizing, information of what works for what age of baby. So they have separate diapers for newborns, and not just the website, the products came with a little leaflet which had all the information. So even if I didn't want to go to the website and figure it out, the leaflet had how to wash, how to clean, how to size. The leaflet had every single information I could have asked for. So I think what's really different this time is that I'm so much better informed. Were you afraid of leakage? To be honest, I was, yes, afraid of leakage, because we've had that once with a cloth diaper. Again, one of the reasons I kind of stopped using them, because honestly if you have a leakage in a potty diaper, it's just a big turn off to use that product. So it was, I don't know what company that was when I last used it, so I was a little bit afraid that what if there is leakage. I can't deal with leakage, man. I just don't. That's one of the reasons I love disposables, because the leakage rarely happens. I was really surprised at how good a fit it was, and it was such a cute snuggled fit to Aravi's little bum. I can't tell you, this is really cute. But Super Bottoms, I was really happy that they fit so nicely and snugly, and the fact that it fit Aravi so nicely, just felt like, you know, they're custom made for him. I don't know, I mean, it was like really surprisingly good fit. And even when I kind of removed the diaper later on, he didn't have those harsh red lines you get with normal disposable diapers. So that kind of surprised me. I loved how it fit his bum, man. So comparing it to other cloth diapers, the ones that I've used before have been superbly bulky. So whenever I used to put like those bulky diapers on him, I could never put shorts on him. So that was another reason I was kind of like a little apprehensive. Is that the word? Apprehensive, I think. Apprehensive of trying on cloth diapers. But again, I don't know, I think this video is going to be about me getting surprised about everything because these are things I did not expect. The Super Bottoms fit him really snugly, and I put on shorts, you know, on top of his diapers, and it wasn't bulky which was really surprising, because other cloth diapers I've used have been bulky and I was expecting it to be bulky. And that was something really exciting for me. I mean, it did have, like, of course, as compared to disposables, yes, it had a tiny bit of bulkiness, I can say, but it just looked like that Aravi had a nicely shaped bum. Was it easy to wash? Super duper easy. It's machine washable. I did not know cloth diapers are machine washable. It's machine washable. Also, the product comes with that little leaflet which has information on how to wash it and all. So that was really helpful. You have to wash it at least once before you start using it, but then to get it to its full capacity, you have to kind of wash it 5 to 6 times, because it's made from a special fabric, a bamboo fabric, which kind of needs regular washing. So every time you do wash it, you keep increasing its kind of capacity, if that's what the correct word is. So you can still use it. I was really, when I found out, I was like, wait, do you mean I have to like wash it 5 times before I start using it? No, you can still wash it once and use it. It's just the amount of time you can use it for might be minimum. So if you wash it just once, you can use it like for 2 to 3 hours, depending on how much your baby wets his diaper. And if you wash it 2-3 times, you can use it 5 to 6 hours at one go. And if you washed it like 5 to 6 times completely, one cloth diaper can be used for the entire night, which is like, really, cloth for night is something that really surprised me, because I always felt that even if I switched to cloth diapers, I would probably still have to use disposables for night. But I was really happily surprised again for the fact that, again, this video is going to probably be about me being happily surprised about everything because I did not know or understand that you can use this for the full night, and that was kind of amazing to find out. What else did you receive? I received this really cool waterproof / leakage proof bag, in which you can keep your clean diapers in one zip and dirty diapers in the other zip. So if it's like a poopy diaper, you can probably just just remove the poop in the toilet, and then if you can't immediately wash it, which happens a lot of times, because once your baby has pooped, you have to change the diaper, and then the baby needs attention and this and that, so you don't immediately always have time to wash it. So the bag that I got also can contain the soiled diaper, so you can clean it up later, and it's leakage proof, which is again a plus. Was Aravi comfortable? What was his reaction? Aravi's reaction was so funny. When I put it on him, like immediately when I put it on him for the first time, he was like he was really surprised, and he was giggly, which he never is, and he looked at me. I think he was probably thinking, what happened to mom? Why is she putting, like, why is she not putting me in a diaper? because I've been using disposable for a very long time, so I think he's also used to it. So you know, to suddenly feel cloth, I'm pretty sure was a little bit surprised that what is happening. Then even after like I put it on him and he was roaming around, he was still kind of looking at the diaper, because he was like, oh, what is this? I don't understand. And it was like the cutest thing ever. And after a while he just kept on playing like he normally plays. It didn't interfere with his normal active life. What did you like about Super Bottoms? I loved the design so much. Oh my god, you have to go on their website and look at their designs. They are so good. They're like desi designs, and even their packaging is so nicely done. Can we for a minute appreciate this packaging? Look, it says Papa Ki Pari, feed locally, and they're encouraging breastfeeding, which is so cute. Chota Chaddi, best seat in the world. Love you, mom. Okay, wait, is that baby wearing? It says best seat in the world. Yep, that's a baby wearing. The other thing that I loved was the fit. Oh my god, the fit was amazing. I love how snugly it fit his bum. It just looks so cute. Would you use them again? The diaper that I've used in this video, it's currently hung out to dry, because I'm going to use it again tomorrow. I'll be honest with you guys, I will obviously not 100% give up on my disposables and 100% convert to cloth diapering all of a sudden because of this one video. No, but I do want to give it a try. I'm really happy with the fit and the fact that there was no leakage, and it's good for the skin, it's good for the environment. For that reason, I do want to give it a try, and I definitely want to use it for at least 3 to 4 hours in a day, or maybe half a day of cloth diapering, half a day of disposables, and then hopefully one day convert to completely cloth diapers. Anyways, that's it for the video. You can find all information about Super Bottoms down below in the description box. If you have any other questions about my honest view on the whole process, you can comment those down below. I will get back to you guys and I'll reply to whatever questions you may have. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!